Are you looking for the best wheeled coolers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wheeled coolers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Pelican Elite Coolers with Wheels. With the highest capacity of 45 quarts, this wheeled cooler makes camping awesome with chilled beverages. This cooling system also comes with the construction of heavy-duty polyethylene material. Moreover, the thermoplastic material retains cold for multiple days. The skid-resistant feet keep the cooler in a proper place. With the help of 2-inch polyurethane insulation, the cooling system holds the cold for at least 10 days. The leakage-proof drain plug also keeps your car or camping spot free of mess. Furthermore, the 3-inch locking latches help you to carry or transport this cooler with proper safety. The cooling system consists of a stainless steel bottle opener for the user's convenience. At number 4. Civilis Miley-Wheeled Cooler. This wheeled cooler comes along with additional accessories to fit your camping needs. Therefore, you will also get a cup holder and a utility metal wired basket. Moreover, you can use this cooler with thick layers if ice chunks. Therefore, you can keep the chamber chilled for a few days. The 70-quart cooler comes along with a pair of military-grade nylon material. The thermoplastic construction also offers exceptional cold retention. Furthermore, the inbuilt bottle opener helps you to open a bottle or can with ease. The durable 7-inch all-terrain wheels help you to roll this cooling box smoothly on various grounds. At number 3. Igloo Quart MaxCold Cooler. This wheeled cooler provides enough space for carrying 56 pieces of cans. With the capacity of 40 quarts, the cooling system is also perfect for 4 to 5 days of camping. Moreover, the insulated lid and walls extend the cooling period of this cooler. The pair of all-terrain wheels help you to move the cooling system silently on different surfaces. The durable, swing-up handles also make pulling hassle-free for individuals. Furthermore, a reinforced carry handle lets you lift this cooler without any problem. The cleaning and maintenance of this cooler are like a breeze. You can use mild soap and water to clean the interior and exterior of this cooling system. At number 2. Arctic Zone Titan Rolling Cooler. This wheeled cooler cart involves the construction of the heavy-duty and thermal insulating fabric. The waterproof, stain-resistant cooler also offers resistance against puncture and abrasion. Moreover, the radiant heat barrier does not let heat enter the cooling chamber of this cooler. The cart can hold up to 100 lbs of weight. The all-terrain, smooth rolling wheels also help you to move this cooler cart smoothly almost everywhere. Furthermore, the 3 foam layers insulate cold for a very long time. The leak-proof inner lining prevents the growth of odor-causing bacteria. You can easily clean both the interior and exterior of this cooler cart. At number 1. Coleman Rolling Cooler. Chilling beers on a camping trip makes everything better. Therefore, this wheeled cooler is just the right thing for your perfect camping days. Moreover, the rolling cooler makes transportation hassle-free for people. The telescopic handle helps you to pull this cooling device without any difficulty. With a maximum capacity of 50 quarts, this device stores up to 84 pieces of beverage cans. The compact cooling system also easily fits inside your car trunk. Furthermore, the storage cooling power of this machine can retain ice for almost 5 days. The hard insulated lid keeps your cooler cool even at 90°F temperature. This have-a-seat lid holds up to 250 lbs of weight. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.